I'm wearing Fendi, money spending, all I wanna do is...
Hello, welcome back to Her Daily Wisdom Kitchen. My name is Rosie. Thank you so much for inviting us into your space, and we hope you're having a wonderful start to your year. Today we're baking cake, not your regular cake. Join us and enjoy the journey. Thank you. First, we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Right, as that preheats, I'll mix my baking powder and my rice flour. Then we'll sift that together. This is the wheat flour. Okay, I'll set that aside. I'll lightly beat my eggs. Don't want to overbeat. Now into a separate bowl, I'll mix my sugar, which I'll also sift. And our oil. Mix that together nicely. Alright, it's nice and fluffy. Now we're gonna add our eggs in gently. I'm going to set that aside and mix my coconut flakes in with the mixture of the dry ingredients. Now what we're going to do is add the flour and the evaporated milk into this mixture little by little, alternating. So a little bit of flour. Just start folding it, and a little bit of milk, a bit of flour, a little bit of milk, and just fold nicely and gently. Put the rest of the flour in. Folding it. Okay, we don't want to over mix it because we don't want it to dry out while baking. So that's good enough. That's what you want it to look like or feel like. Okay, now let's reel on. Okay, so I'm gonna grease my pan with butter. This is just a stick of butter. Make sure that I cover the sides. Okay, ready? And then I'll pour that butter in here. We'll start baking it. Right, so here we go. We're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 15 minutes. So as the cake bakes, we're going to prepare the topping. This is half a cup of coconut sugar. And to it we're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut powder. Heap it like I do. To it, we will add in half a cup of coconut oil. Gently mix together until it's all mixed. Alright, it's come together nicely. Just put it here, see. Oh yeah. Okay, let's taste. Ready? Bam. Let's take it out of here. Okay. Now let's loose. Take it out of here. On there. So here is our topping, previously prepared. Smother the baby while still hot. Just stop, put it on. Okay, so the last thing we're going to put on top is the coconut flakes. Just a few sprinkles on top, and then we're gonna wait until it cools down some before we cut through and taste it. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for, presenting coconut crunch cake.
I dey use my talent to live my life, life, yeah, yeah. Anyhow it be, I know they complain, oh, nah. I wake up in the morning, Oluwa they bless. I dey sing my song, Oluwa they bless. Anything where I do, Oluwa they bless. Yeah. See, I wake up in the morning, Oluwa they bless. I dey sing my song, Oluwa they bless. Anything where I do, Oluwa they bless. Yeah. See, because they go, because they bless.
Sure.
See, yeah. Oluwa bless. See, a long time for this matter, yeah. Ask my guys, no be today, yeah. I believe in the game, I know they tired, yeah. Level dump everywhere, soft too. Yeah, everywhere, soft too. In this life, we got to believe, oh. Keep your head up, not the way, oh. Watching them talk, no be your way, oh. Even them say you no go fit, oh.
This is amazing and it's super easy to make, just like you said. So try it out and let us know what you think in the comments below. We thank you so much for joining us. Please leave a comment. Let us know how you find it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.